Hello, I uploaded my Unity Teardown level editor now to GitHub. You should see the link in the description, and I quickly show you how it's operated. You can click on the importer exporter node once you started it up in Unity. Then here in the import path, you choose some Vox file you can to import. You can choose many of them one by one. So I start with the island box and I say import to Magica. And this takes about 20 seconds to load up or so. For bigger files, for bigger models, it will be even more. And as you can see, here is an output path. I can't click right now here because in the meantime, while it's loading, it's completely frozen. I didn't make it a background process yet. I will do that. So you can click here while it's loading too. If I could click here in the output path, which I can now, I can show you I put in the teardown folder create the island XML as the output path. So I will put out XML file. I will use the main Lua file, so I have tools. I can use the haste Lua file, if I like, I will add some more here, but I will show you I take the haste Lua. I will change the setup to rainy and let the boundaries be where they are. So if I'm just hitting export to teardown now, I will not be able to see the island. I will show you that. It just created the island XML here. In the create folder, I back up the old island before that, so it's not overridden. And then in teardown, I press restart, and I will basically see nothing. Then a base plate. A base plate is added in the XML here. You can see it. Whoop, whoop. You can see it here. There is a base plate included. It's the main lure and the haste lure because I marked that, and the boundaries are here, and it's rainy. But I don't see the island. Why not? I haven't clicked on export to teardown here on the island. This way I can import many files. Like I could import another one. Let's say I go to my island. What is here? Here is a door box, or I have a box file here, using the box file like an asset file. So it's not exported, but I can use the things in there to import Magica file. Here is the box, and if I go here, I have a pretty box that shows up here, and I can use this, but I don't export it. I just want to copy paste things of that and put it in there. So I don't export the box. I just export the island right now. Go back to the exporter, click export to teardown, and restart the game. There it is. There is my island, and it's rainy. I'm seeing the base plate here, but I would love to see some water around here. So if I want the water, I just go to the prefab folder. I prepared some water plane, and I can just pull it over here. And basically that's it. If I want the water exactly at that water level that we can see here right now, so it's about, I don't know, 5 pixels, 6 pixels below the bottom of this wooden blanks. Then I can click export to teardown on the water as well, and go back to the importer exporter, click right, export to teardown, and restart it. And then I should have my water here. You can see we have water here. Below that is the base plate. It's very near the water surface right now because I have hard coded the base plate right now to a certain depth. And if you want it to be a little bit deeper, you can always go to the whole island, select the island, select the water plane, not the box, island and water plane, and then say we start at height of 3. Just go back to the exporter, export it again, export to teardown, and we will, just to show you it works, we make it sunny map this time. Right click again, export to teardown, and we have a sunny map with water, and the base plate is way below. Well, we can't dive that deep, but you can see the base plate is around here somewhere. So deep down below. So that's a nice thing. You can do these things. And as I showed in the video before, if I have my box here, I can now go here, take something out of the box. It's like an asset folder. It has valid assets. It has a spot, which is the small dot up here. It has the box, which is this one. And I will paste. I will simply copy the box. I paste it right here, pull it a bit over here and upwards, so it's kind of floating in the sky right there. And then I hit at the Teardown property script here, I hit dynamic. I make a second one to show you it's still possible to make a non-dynamic one, non-dynamic on this thing. And that's it. I'm going to import it, export it again, export to Teardown. You can have a look at the XML for a second. It has now the box body, one with a dynamic tag and one without a dynamic tag. And if I start Teardown again, I should be able to see those boxes right here. The one is dynamic. I can grab it, throw it. The other one is not, but I can still kick it. That's it. That's what you can do with my editor right now. I will add joints. I will add multiple things to do ropes and vehicles and everything like that. I hope you enjoy this and I hope it helps you creating cool maps. See you soon and have fun.